Hi, I'm Tom, and I head up the Education Advisors team here at the UX Design Institute. Our role is to ensure that you have all the information to make sure that UX is the right career for you. This includes things like understanding the industry, what a UX designer does every day, and clear up all sorts of misconceptions around what kind of background you need to make the transition into UX. With so many free courses and boot camps out there right now, this has led to a surge in underqualified UX designers entering the industry. It's also creating a misconception that finding the first job is really difficult, even though the demand is really high. These types of courses, they tend to lack the guidance, feedback, and assessment needed to know that you're truly ready for a career in UX design. Having a recognized qualification not only makes you strong on paper, but also gives you a much more compelling story to tell when you start to sit down and speak with employers. Being able to sit in an interview and confidently speak about how you gained your UX education, explaining your projects, the feedback you gained, the exams that you passed, and all the project work you achieved, will give you a much more powerful story. It also alleviates any worries or doubts that a potential employer will have about where did you get or gain your education from. If you're interested in pursuing a career in UX design, feel free to book in a call with any of our education advisors. We'll give you all the information you need to make an informed decision before taking that leap.